Today I'm going to replace the clip on my center console on my 2010 Honda Civic Hybrid. I think this works for any model between 2006 2011. Mine in particular is broken, so we're just going to replace it. The only tool you need is a T15 Torx. The clip comes with just the clip by itself. You're going to use the existing hardware that's in here, a spring and a pin, to install a new one. This is pretty easy. We're just going to unscrew both of these and then pop this cover off, and then we'll have access to this clip. Now that the screws are out, we can take this cover off. There's this little thing right here you can pull from. It's actually super easy. Move the clip out of the way and then give it a good pull up. It just has these clips that go into these two holes right here. When we put it back, we'll just get it aligned in there. But now we have the clip right here. You can see mine's broken. The way this is set up, you have this pin right here. This is the clip that's broken with the spring that the pin runs through. There's a little opening right here that doesn't go through, and then there is an opening on this side that does go through. So what we have to do is push the pin this way so that we have enough clearance to get it out from this side, and then we'll just pull it out, and then we should just be able to move that pin and the spring to our new clip and then reinstall it. We're gonna go ahead and get the clip ready to be installed. Again, we're just gonna use the existing hardware, which is just this spring and this pin. The way we do it, we'll start with the spring. You'll see this notch only has one hole. This one has two. So move for that end of the spring right here. So I'm just gonna put it in here, get it lined up. Just put it in like that. It's gonna be loose right now, but just get the pin. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it through. And then now this is ready to go back into the car. So with the clip, this is gonna go in this way. I'm just gonna move a little bit in so I could go ahead and get this first side started. This spring, you don't want it to be down here. You want it to be on this shelf shoulder thing right here. So I'm gonna put it in like this so it has tension. Slide it through till there's enough clearance on this side. I push the spin through a little bit more, and I can line it up. And then push the pin back the other way till it's flush. And then the clip is in. It's got some good tension on it. Just gonna get the cover. Just like that. Put the screws back in. And that should be fine. And then now it works.